Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to share Instagram post to story automatically. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to share Instagram post to your story automatically, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application on your phone. Once opened, locate and click on the profile picture at the bottom right. Then click on the three lines at top right. Now, under settings and activity, you want to scroll down until you get to sharing and reuse. Click on it. Then turn on story shares. Again, where you say stories to story, select everyone. Where you say allow people to share your posts and reels, turn this on, and after that, you are good. Now, when next you share any post on Instagram, the post will be published to your Instagram story automatically. And that's it. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.